In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a guest a presenter in Microsoft Teams. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on the web and go to your meeting. You should be on the meeting screen where you can see the call controls and the meeting layout. Make sure the guest has already joined the meeting, since you can only adjust options for someone who is actually in the participant list. Next, open the Meetings People or Participants panel. This is the area that shows everyone who is in the meeting. In many layouts, it is an icon on the meeting toolbar, and it may show a small number that indicates how many participants are currently in the meeting. Select that option so the full list of attendees appears. Once the participant list is open, find the guest you want to make a presenter. Look for their name in the list. Then select the options menu next to that person. Depending on your view, this might appear as a three-dot menu or a small control that opens more actions for that attendee. In the menu that opens, select Spotlight for everyone. This is the key action in this workflow. Spotlighting makes that guest the focus for all attendees, meaning their video feed is emphasized in everyone's meeting view. This can be especially useful when the guest is speaking, presenting, or leading a segment, because it helps the rest of the group stay visually focused on them. After you select Spotlight for everyone, confirm the action if Teams prompts you. Once it is applied, the guest should now appear spotlighted for the entire meeting audience. If you have multiple people who need to be featured, you can repeat the same action for additional participants, but remember that Spotlight is about visual focus, not sharing permissions. As a quick tip, spotlighting works best when the guest has their camera on and has stable audio, since the whole meeting will be directed toward them visually. If you ever need to stop spotlighting later, you can return to the same participant menu and remove the spotlight using the available options. That covers everything you need to know.